Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be showing you guys 2 ways to use hibiscus leaves for maximum hair growth. Hibiscus leaves have been revered in Ayurveda for their abilities to boost hair growth. This exotic plant contains petals and leaves that are known to improve the growth of your hair follicles and even cover bald patches. Hibiscus is widely used in India for hair oils, so today we'll be showing you guys how we use hibiscus leaves to make a powerful hair growth oil. So the first ingredient we'll be using in this hair growth oil are hibiscus leaves. A 2003 study showed that a leaf extract from hibiscus positively affected the hair length and follicles of lab rats. The second ingredient we'll be using in this growth oil is cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair growth oil is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrate the hair and strengthens the roots of the hair follicles. The last ingredient we'll be using in this hair growth oil is rosemary leaves. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. It also treats a variety of scalp issues from dry scalp to psoriasis. Hibiscus leaves contain a number of benefits, firstly being that it stimulates hair growth. Hibiscus leaves are rich in amino acids, which are a prime building block of keratin. Therefore, it's known to improve the buildup of keratin in the hair and to also boost the formation of new hair follicles. Another benefit of hibiscus leaves is that it conditions your hair strands. Hibiscus leaves are known to nourish your hair strands and also lock in your hair's natural moisture. Hibiscus leaves also prevent baldness. Many research actually shows that hibiscus extract influences the regrowth of dormant hair follicles in your hair. Hibiscus leaves are known also to prevent dandruff and itchy scalp. It actually acts as an astringent and helps to cure dandruff and flakiness in your scalp. Hibiscus leaves are also known to prevent premature graying. Hibiscus is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamins that are needed to produce melanin, which gives your hair its natural color. Therefore, hibiscus flowers can prevent premature graying and boost the natural color of your hair. This hibiscus hair growth oil is very beneficial to your scalp health and hair growth. Not only does it stimulate hair growth, it treats dandruff, it conditions the hair, it nourishes the hair, strengthens the hair strands, it treats baldness, and it prevents premature graying. This oil can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It can also be massaged evenly onto your scalp. It can be applied lightly onto the body of your hair, and it can be added to your pre-poos or conditioner treatments. It can also be used in a hot oil treatment. Now, the second way to use hibiscus leaves is for a hibiscus hair tea. Now, today we'll be showing you guys this powerful hair tea we made using hibiscus leaves. The first ingredient that we used are hibiscus leaves, cloves, and rosemary leaves. Once you put these ingredients into a jar, this is how it should look. And then you add your boiling water. This can also be done on a pot on a stove. Hibiscus and cloves are a powerful combination, and this is because you get all the rich benefits of cloves without it drying out your hair. Hibiscus, due to its mucilage content, serves as a conditioner. It provides a slimy covering and prevents the hair from drying out and breaking. You thereby get the rich benefits of these two powerful herbs with no side effects of breakage. This hair tea is amazing for your scalp health. It also prevents shedding, prevents hair thinning, it helps to regrow bald patches, it stimulates hair growth, and it strengthens and conditions the hair. This hibiscus hair tea is the perfect alternative to your hibiscus hair growth oil. It can be used 1 to 2 times a week and applied directly onto your scalp. It can also be used as a hair rinse. This hair tea should be stored in the fridge and used within 10 days in order not to get spoiled. So guys, kindly let us know down below which one you prefer, the hibiscus hair growth oil or the hibiscus hair tea. Have you tried either of these? Let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!